Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood. This is their part number 70RCB. Let's dissect all of that. Well, 70RCB-US32D316 SA. Let's dissect the part number. First of all, this is a 70 series plate. That means that this plate is going to be 50 thousandths of an inch thick. It can be made of a lot of different base materials, lots of different finish options, etc. The RC means that you're going to have this nice, elegant, radiused corner on all four corners. Then the B in the part number specifically means that this 70 plate that's 50 thousandths thick, which is the same thickness as a typical kick plate, is 3.5 by 15. If you change that B to a C, or an A, or a D, you get the point. The size changes, okay? The US32D means that it's stainless steel, and this scratched surface that you see here is just the peel-away protective film. But this one's a special. This is a 316. This is a much higher, pure version or grade of stainless steel, something that you would use when you want the highest form of stainless in terms of corrosion resistance. Marine grade, sometimes 316 is known as well. Now the SA, that means self-adhesive. You'll notice that there are two strips of double-sided tape that are back here. And then of course there are no holes and no screws whatsoever. Why would you want self-adhesive? Obviously for ease of installation. You might have a door that you're not permitted to drill into. What would be a door like that? A lead line door, okay? A door that has a special construction to it. You might have a radio frequency type deadening door, or lead lined. That's really the only thing that comes to mind. Or you might not just have the time, desire, tools to drill holes. You might just want to peel the tape and line it up and push it on. That's when you would use this. Okay. It's going to be a small reveal, I would say, between the top and bottom of the plate and where the tape is, because that's a measurable thickness that's there. But nonetheless, installation instructions for self-adhesive are there. You can pause this video so you can review that. The bottom line it says is if you're going to stick this on, make sure the surface is clean, free of dust and debris. Make sure that the temperature of the material you're applying it to is room temperature basically, and make sure that you're not going to let this sit for over a year, because this tape, when it's not used, has a shelf life. So there you go. Okay. 316 stainless, yeah, if you're going to be touching it with wet hands, you would want the highest grade stainless possible. There's a link below this video to the product brochure, which is very handy. It will help you look at the versions of this material, the sizes that are available, the options that are available. You can see there's several and many. And if you have any questions on any of those options, please feel free to reach out to us. Torque screws are not uncommon for certain applications, security screws. You can see the letter size that's there and how the size changes as that letter changes, as I mentioned earlier. There's a link below this video as well to a document called Ordering Info. Really only applies if you are doing apparently a cylinder prep, but also does give you a nice reference in terms of the location of where to apply the material. Obviously that would comply with ADA compliance. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood, their part number 70RCB US32D316 SA, self-adhesive push plate, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.